Hi, good evening one and all. So today I am going to start about the basic of the Perl. So exactly the Perl is? The abbreviation of Perl is Practical Report and Extraction Language. Okay, we have many languages like C, C++, scripting languages like Java, TCM and Perl. So there is a difference between the Perl, the scripting languages and the program like C and C++. In C++, we have a compiler to run the program. But the difference in the scripting language is that we don't have any compiler. Directly it will take the source from the interpreter. The interpreter will take the source directly and it execute it. There is no need of compiler. Okay. So basically Perl is an interpreted language that do not have to compile into machine code and execute it. And there are two ways we can run the program. The conventional way to write a program in C, where we can compile it into object code and machine code. And second way is that the way like Perl works to write a program in some languages where Perl interpreter takes the source file directly. Okay. So Perl is actually optimized for scanning text files and extracting information from them and printing reports based on that information. That's why we are calling it practical report and extraction language. It optimized for scanning the text files and extracting the information from the files and printing the particular report based on that information. Okay. So now we will see what are the advantages of the Perl. First advantage is the speed of the development. So here you can enter the program into text file and just run it. It is an interpretive language, no compiler is needed. That's why the speed is more than the other languages like C and C++. Second advantage is it is very powerful, because the regular expression of the Perl are extremely powerful. Because what exactly the regular expression is? See, if you enter the password on your Facebook ID or Gmail, sometimes it will say that your password won't match. So for matching and all, we generally use the regular expression command. Okay, so in Perl languages, that regular expression command works very efficiently. Okay. And the third advantage is editing the Perl language is very easy. No sophisticated editing tools required like other languages, and any simple text editor like Notepad in Windows or gedit in Linux. So we can edit there and we can run the program. And the fourth advantage is flexibility. So Perl does not limit the size of the data. If memory is available, Perl can handle the whole file as a single string. Okay, so what the particular word string is? String can be a word or can be one line, or the entire content of the file also regarded as a string. Okay, so you may have 50 MB file, you can assign as a single string variable as long as the sufficient memory is available, or maybe called as virtual memory. Okay, as much as your memory is available in your system, so you can enter the file. Okay, so there is no limit. There is no limit in the Perl. Okay, it does not limit the size of your data. Okay, so till this particular point, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Naveen, till this, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me.
Flexibility one more time.
Okay. So flexibility. Okay, fine. So flexibility means, Perl. If you have the 50 MB size of your data, or maybe 100 MB size of the data size is 100 MB, as much as the memory is available in your system, the program will run. Okay, because the Perl does not limit the size of your data. As much as your data is, it will execute. Okay, as much as the long string is. String means nothing but it can be one line or then enter the content of the line. Okay, I'll tell you next while writing the program. You can understand what exactly the word string is. Okay, so main point is that it does not limit the size of your data. Okay, it's clear, Naveen?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, clear.
So now let's start to write the program. So first we'll see how to write variables in the Perl. Actually, in the Perl, variables are denoted at $sign. $sign is used to define the variables. So let's write one program. Okay, so first I given the value of x as a 1. Okay, you can give any name here, any variable name you can give, but you should define the keyword as $. It's a key symbol. The $, is the key symbol for the variable, and y I given as 2, and I want to add that both the number, and I want to store in the z variable, and I want to print it. So save it now. Save as PL extension. The extension of the file should be .pl. Fine. And now run it. Okay, so it gives 3. So first I initiate the variable x and y, and I want to add both of the number to z, and I want to print the particular variable z, and my output is 3 now. Okay. So to store the number in any variable, you have to use $sign. That is important thing. Similarly, we can print the Word file also. See one example for Word. Now save it and run it now. So semicolon is very important. In every line you have to put semicolon, or else output won't. So call it util. Okay. So this is called the string. I was talking about the string before. So this is called strings. Okay. The combine of the two number, or it can be one line, or maybe it can be one file. Okay. But it should be on double quotation mark. Okay. And I am doing the concurrent, both word are joining here. That's why I am using $word1 and $word2 here. And I want to print that particular string. That's why I am using $string. You can put any variable name here. I put string here. That's why I am printing this $string here. Okay. So next we will see arrays. How to use arrays in Perl. So actually the arrays is denoted as @ @ is the symbol for the key symbol for the arrays. Okay. So let's see one example. Okay, so first run it, then afterwards I'll tell you what's going here. Okay, so what's going here? See, first I given the variable name as numbers. You can put any name here. I'm writing numbers as a variable name, and I'm using @ as a keyword for the arrays. And I want to print all the values whatever is there in the arrays. Okay, so there are 5 values and all the 5 numbers would be print. on the arrays. So 1 2 3 4 5 it's printing here. Okay, so you have to remember the symbol at the rate. And what if we want to print only the particular number 2 or maybe 3? For that you have to use a different command. It's not different command, little bit modification is there. So let's see what is the output. Sorry. So wait for a few seconds. Okay. So the problem is I didn't given the new line command for here. So for creating the new line you have to use \n. Okay. So what is the problem coming here? See, all the we are getting the value as 2 here. Okay, that 1 2 3 4 5 is coming after the 2 because I want to extract the particular value 2. That's why I put that's why I am putting here the array value 1, because 1 is the array value 0, 2 is the array value of 1, 3 is the 2, and 4 is the array value of 3, and 5 is the array value of 4. Okay, so if I want to extract the particular number 2, then I have to put 1 here. Okay, but thing is that I didn't put \n here. That's why all the numbers are printing in one line. So for creating the one line, you have to write /n1. Okay, so now see the output. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. It was for the first one where I given the print value, this one. Okay, and the second one is 2. We are getting it. Fine. So this is how we can extract the particular number from the array. If we want to extract number 5, then we have to put array value 4. And don't forget to put, don't write here instead of $, don't write @ here, because I want to extract the particular number from that numbers, right? From that the variable name. Actually, numbers is the variable name. So I am getting that particular. I want to extract the particular number from the variable. So this is the variable name. The key symbol of the variable is $. That's why I put $ numbers here. And from that numbers, I want to extract number 4. and afterward the value will be printed as 5 year. Okay, so save it now and print it 5. Okay, so before it was 2, now it's 5. So similarly, you can print words also. Let's see one example of words. Okay, I taken the arrays of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put any variable name here, and I want to print that arrays. So 1, 2, 3, 4 should be printed. So let's save it now and run now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 it's showing. So here one thing you have to remember, before when you are writing the arrays of integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or number, so you are putting only comma there. Okay, but here for every number you have to put double quotation after that comma. Okay, so for 1 I put double quotation, for 2 also we have, so for every word you have to put quotation, and afterward you can print it. Okay, so this is the way to print the arrays of word. Similarly, if you want to extract the to value, similarly as I done here, you can do like this. Okay. So what if you want to add the under number? Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. If I want to add under item there, for that you have to write somewhat you have to modify the program. Okay. So let's see how to create the new item. Okay, so save it and print it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So before there was the number as 1, 2, 3, 4, and the item number 5 was not there. So I want to add the new item on the array value 5. That's why I keep the array values 5 here, and I want to add the number as 6. So 6 will be printed on the particular arrays. Okay, so this is the way to add the new item. Fine. So till this particular slide, if you have any doubt, then please ask me. Naveen, are you getting it, Naveen?
It's clear, sir.
Okay.
It's getting, sir.
Yeah, tell me. You tell me, Naveen.
No, sir. Nothing.
Oh, okay, fine. So now let's see how to push, pop, and shift and unshift the item. Okay. So let's see first example. Afterwards I will tell what is the use of the push. So by this seeing the example only you can understand it. Now save it and see. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Again it's coming 1 because what I am doing? What I am doing on the program? I am pushing that particular number on that particular arrays. So arrays was word. The variable name was words. That's why I have taken that array words. In that particular array, you have to add one more data, that is 1. Okay. So nothing but it is similar to create the new item. Okay. As we done this one, but there is a different command for that also, that is called push. So you can push the how many numbers you want, you can push it. Okay. If you want to add more than 1 also, and then you can push the particular numbers there. Okay. So next is pop. So pop means nothing but removing the last item. Whatever the item you added before, that will be removed. So pop words. Okay, and then print it. Okay, so last item was removed, is removed. See, so before the last item was 1, and I pop it, and after pop the last number was 1 before, and now the particular word 1 is not there. Okay, so it's deleted. So if you want to again remove the particular number 6, then again you have to write there. So let us delete the particular word 6 also. So for that, again pop at the rate of verse, then print it. Now the 6 will be deleted. Okay, again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is not there. So 6 is deleted. Again, if you want to delete 4, again you have to write at the rate of words. Okay. So this is the way to pop the number or to delete the number. These are the keywords. Pop, push are the keywords for inserting the number and deleting the number. So now let's see shift and unshift. And for your information, if you want to pop or push the particular number, let's see, if you want to pop this particular number, particularly 3 only if you want to delete, then you have to use as like arrays number, let's see one example here. So pop let's see it worked out. So the numbers. Okay, so let's see. Okay, backslash firmware operator. Fine, let's see what is the error. Okay, so note another reference at Perl or line 18. Okay, so but this is the way. So the problem is the array is not there in the line 18. But thing is that like if you want to delete a particular number, then you have to mention the particular array's name there. As I mentioned 2 here, so 2 means what? This 3 will be deleted. Okay, so you can try afterwards. So next we will see what is the use of shift and unshift. Okay, if you want to add the particular number on the leftmost of the side, then you have to use unshift. So let's see one example, like unshift Okay, so better we can remove this so that it won't be confusion, right? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so 0 1 2 3. Okay, so what I done there, I add the particular number, this 0, on the left side of the particular arrays. Okay, so 0 will be added before 1. For that you have to use unshift. Similarly, if you want to remove that particular number, then you have to use shift. So let's see, shift at the rate numbers. Okay. So now save it and see what will be your result. Okay, so 1 2 3. So last number I unshifted it is was 0 and 0 is deleted now. So for that I use shift. Okay, so for removing the item from the left side you have to use shift, and for adding the number in the left side then you have to use unshift. So you have to remember this particular name, shift and unshift, that is command. Okay. So what if you want to reverse the particular array? If some arrays are there and if you want to reverse that particular array, then you have what you have to do. So now we will see. Reverse, merge and sort. If that particular two arrays are there, and if you want to merge them, then how to do it? Okay, so let's see first how to merge the items. So let's create two arrays. Array 2, okay. So now I want to merge word 1 and word 2. For that you have to again store the particular number in some array. And to merge it, I have to put comma in. Okay. So at the rate of word 2. And now print it. So let's see the result. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the arrays, both arrays has merged here. So for merging, you have to create another array's name. You can put any variable name there, and you have to join both of them by putting comma. Okay, so this is the way to merge the items. So let's see how to reverse and sort the items, sort the arrays. Now save it and see the before. Actually, you have to write word here. Sorry. Okay, because I want to reverse that particular arrays. This array I want to reverse it, so that I put at the reverse as a command name. Okay, and whatever whatever particular array you want to reverse it, then you have to put the particular array's name, and you have to use reverse function here. Okay, this is called function. So now print it and save it now. Okay, so before it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arrays has been reversed, and it's showing 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the way to reverse the number. So next is how to sort the number. This particular array is there, and if you want to sort it, then how to do it. Similarly, first let us take one variable name or some arrays of numbers. And if I want to sort it, then for that you have to use sorting command, sorted command. The command name is sorted, and write the function as sort. And now write the particular array's name which you want to sort. Okay, and now print it. Save it and run it now. Okay. So the mistake we done here is we given the 2-digit number here. Okay, like the sorting should be as fine. So the numbers has not been sorted here. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. So I will tell you when we are putting the 10 or like the 2 digit, it was not coming. 10 was coming before. For that I will tell you the reason. For that you have to write some different command. I will tell you that. Okay, but 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 as it is a single digit, it's sorting here. Because see here, I written 10. 10 means what? It's detecting 1, 0, right? So it's detecting 1 first. That's why the 10 was coming first. After 10, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 came. So for that you have to use some different command. I will tell you afterwards. But this is the way how to sort the number. So now I will tell you some array tips. The easy way to write the arrays and to print the particular values. We can print it in very easy way. So if we have, let us take one example. If we have the 1000 numbers, so if you are not going in the easiest way, then how we will print it? We will put all the numbers in a particular arrays, and afterwards we will print it. But here we will follow some shortcut for the printing that values, those type of values. So let's see. First for numbers, if you want to print the particular like if you want to print the numbers between 1 to 100, then see, simply write 1 there and put 2 dot and write 100. Or if you want to print up till 1000, and put 1000 there and print it. Okay. So let's see the output. See. Okay, so no need to write that array, all the arrays name. I put 1 to 1000 here, and all the numbers from 1 to till 1000 it's showing here. Fine. Similarly, till 1 lakh, if you have the 1 lakh numbers, then simply put 2 dot there, and you can print starting from 1 to 1 lakh. Similarly, take one arrays. I'll tell you what is the use of QW. Let's take the arrays of rows. And try to print it. Okay, so red, orange, banana, papaya. So what is the difference between before? Before also we print the particular arrays of words, but what is the difference between this and that? The difference is before we are writing comma and we are putting double quote also, but this is the easiest way. We should not write the comma and all. Simply put QW there, and as much word you want to print, keep the space between two words, and as much you want to put there the words, you can print it. Okay, so simply remember this QW. QW is a function name, and array, and like that you can print the particular arrays. Okay. So next is if you want to print the particular number 100 or 1000 times, then what you have to do? Let us assume that the particular number 1 I have to print out 1000 times. Then we have simple command. Let's see that particular command. Let's take one array. Okay, now print it. The 1 will come 100 times. Okay, the particular number printed 100 times. So I write simple command there. The particular number 1 should be put in bracket, and you have to put into sign or maybe X sign, and you have to leave the space between them. And I want to print the 100 times, that's why I put 100 here. If you want to print 1000 times, you can do similarly, and let's print, so it will show 1000 times. Okay, so this is how we can print a particular number repeatedly. So Naveen, any doubt?
No doubt.
Yeah, fine. So now let's see one loop, how to use for each loop. This will be the last topic, how to use for each loop. Okay, so actually the uses of for each is, if you want to calculate anything from the particular item, for each item, if you want to, like if the arrays of numbers or arrays of words are there, and for every number and for every words, if you want to calculate something, okay, if you want to for each item, if you want to calculate something, then you have to use for each command. Okay, so let's see one example. Let's take one array of colors. Now for each color you have to calculate something. For each each colors has to be printed on the screen. Okay, so for that you have to use for each command. Okay, and again you have to define some new variable, something like you can give any variable name. I am putting here as color. Okay, and okay, so first print it. Afterward I will tell you what's going on here. Okay, red, blue, white, orange, green. So what I done here, see, first I taken the arrays of colors like red, blue, white, orange and green. Okay, and for each color I want to print, for each item I want to print that particular item. Okay, so what I am doing here, for each I am using as a command name, and for each arrays, so these, what are the values or what are the numbers or words are present in this array should be printed, should be stored in this variable. So variable name I given as color. Okay, so these all the values or numbers are should be stored in this variable, and you should print that particular variable here. Okay, and or else if you want to like if 5 or 6 numbers are there, let us see one, let us assume one example, like the number 1 2 3 4 5 is there here, and if you want to multiply or divide the particular numbers from that particular from 2. Okay, if you want to let us think, if you want to multiply the particular items, particular all the items, then you have to use here dollar color into 2. Okay, like I put here variable name as color, you can put anything there. If you want to multiply, then dollar color into 2. So for each item you have to do something, so you have to write under bracket, like I put the bracket here, braces. The braces should be open and closed. Under the braces you have to put what is your condition. Okay, so this is your condition, fine. So any doubt, Naveen? if you have any doubt throughout of the session, then you can ask me. Because time is up. Yes, Naveen?
No doubts, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So I am going to wrap the session. So our next
Okay.
session will be maybe by tomorrow. Okay. So you
Same
can,
time.
yeah, maximum it will be at 8 o'clock. So we will send you the mail. Fine. And this video will also uploaded in YouTube by within 2-3 hours. If you have any doubt, then you can watch it again. Okay. Or else if you have any doubt, then you can mail me also. No problem. You can mail me in this particular ID. Okay. I will try my level best to solve your problem. Fine. So hope you enjoyed the session. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you.